So in today's lesson we're going to be learning Paperback Writer by the Beatles. Super easy one, just got 2 chords that repeat the whole way through. Let's get learning them chords. Okay guys, so as mentioned in the intro, just 2 chords in this one. Chord number 1 is a G7, that's bottom string, fret 1. Second one down from the top, fret 2, top string, fret 3, and we're going to strum all the strings. Chord number 2 is a C7, and that's second string up from the bottom 1. Third one down from the top, fret 2, string above fret 3, then pinky goes on the G string, fret 3, so that note there, so you do need 4 fingers on that one, but then we're going to strum all the strings except the low E, it's a C7, again we can pop the thumb over the top to mute that one, just in case you're catching the low E string, but yeah, there are 2 chords, so G7 and C7. Okay guys, so now we've learnt the chords, we're going to move on to the order and the strumming pattern. Again, just that G7 and C7. We're going to keep this super basic as a beginner version today. First of all, it starts on a little vocal harmony where they all sing, Paperback Writer, Writer. Yeah, we don't need to play in that part. There's no guitar, it's vocals only for that part. Straight after that, there's a little guitar riff which comes in, which is a little bit more advanced. If you do want me to show that, I'm not going to show that in this particular video because it's a little bit more advanced, but if you do want me to show a more advanced version, please pop a comment below. I'll be more than happy to do that, no problem at all. But we're going to keep it super simple. When the riff comes in, we're just going to strum that G7 and count to 8. And then again, it does it twice through on that little riff. So we're just going to strum that G7 and let it ring out for 8 beats. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And anytime the riff comes in, that's all we're going to do. Again, we're just going to keep it super basic because this is a beginner one. Right, so when the verse comes in, we've got that G7 chord. Now the strumming pattern we want is down, down, up, up, down. And we're going to do that 8 times. So down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. That's 5, 6. Then we're going to change that C7 chord and we're going to do the same thing, but just same strumming pattern, down, down, up, down, but only 2 lots. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. And then they sing Paperback Writer. 2 strums over the word Paperback Writer, just on that G7. So I'm going to do a quick playthrough of the verses. Let's try that again. So it's 8 of that strumming pattern on a G7, 2 lots on a C7, and then 2 down strums on a G7 at the end of each verse. Here we go. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. There's 5, 6, down, down, up, down. C7, twice, da, da. And then it sometimes goes to the little harmony part, which we don't play over. If it goes to the riff, again, like you're just going to strum that G7 and count to 8. Okay guys, so I hope you've enjoyed today's lesson on Paperback Writer by the Beatles. If you have, as always, please do smash that like and subscribe, and I'll see you again in the next one.